Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. We're checking out Corbyn Besson. I'm not familiar of Corbyn Besson. People in my chat were telling me he was from a group. He was in a group called Why Don't We. Now, my chat, I'm live on Twitch, by the way. Hi. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day. Go follow the Twitch. Come through when I'm live. My chat's been telling me, updating me on Mans. But Chewy. No explanation of twice. Oh, thanks for following. Thanks for following. Let's check this out. I saw this on TikTok actually, and it sounded good, so I wanted to check it out. So in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Let's go. Wait, before you do, subscribe to my new channel with my girlfriend Hedgen called Hey Dre. We play video games. It's fire. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey Dre.
Hey Dre. Go check that out. Link in the description. And check out my
Chill.
Patreon. This is free. But you can subscribe for $1 if you want to and support your boy. All right, bye. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Why he on the flow with an old ass iPod?
You see that girl? There's just something
Blink.
about her.
It's called Blink. I just now realized that.
That girl right there.
Why you talking like that? That girl right there. I call that R&B voice. That girl right there.
She's
That's his regular voice though, no? Ooh.
damn, babe.
Damn, baby. Ooh, okay. I said Michael Jackson. The dance move. Okay. Hey, pull up your pants. I'm joking. I'm sounding old as hell.
And she was like,
don't blink, you might miss it. Don't talk too much, just listen.
Oh, that close up? Ooh.
I get it.
Ooh.
But
I like that shot.
like what?
Don't think, just sip it. Don't start some shit you can't finish.
Oh. Don't start some shit that you can't finish. Talk your shit, Chewy.
Stay with it. Then I just might let you.
What?
She wasn't ready.
I just might. Say that again.
Okay.
Stay with it. Then I just might let you.
What?
Hit it. Hey. This is cute. Yeah, boy can sing. Okay, I saw this clip on TikTok. This is where I saw it. It brought me here. Damn. Okay.
She was like,
Don't blink, you might miss it. Don't talk too much, just listen.
okay.
It's sweet.
Sweet.
I get it.
You get it.
But I want something acidic.
Like what?
Don't think, just sip it. Don't start some shit you can't
Bro,
finish.
she's so fine.
Stay with it.
I'm with it.
Listen. I know, listen. She fine as hell.
That brother's starving.
I just might let you.
Yo, I think she's kind of feeling me.
Oh,
I mean, we locked eyes once or twice already.
yeah.
Yo, I think she's walking over here with them hips and them jewels on her waist. I ain't never seen a girl like that pop out and shut down the whole place. I ain't never fall in love so fast, wanna drink her down. Spin her
It's fire. It's fire.
around. Ooh, you got me feeling so good. And tonight, she got me wrapped around her finger so tight. It looks really cute, then baby, show me the light. I think I could die from just one look in her eyes. And she was like,
Don't blink, you might miss
I said don't think. My bad. Don't blink.
it. Don't talk too much, just listen.
Okay.
It's sweet. I get it. But I want something acidic.
like what?
Don't think, just sip it. Don't start some shit you can't finish.
Okay.
Stay with it. Then I just might let you.
What?
Hit it. Ooh. Oh, it was all a dream. It reminds me of a JT song. Hell yeah. Bro, I feel like JT, like, what do you call it? JT 2000s R&B vibes are back again. Not just JT, but 2000s R&B. Then he trying to look for her. So where'd she go? I know she out. He got them Timbs on. He got them Timbs on too. Oh shit. I might have to check out your music, bruh. I might have to check out your music. All right, y'all. Put a comments down below what you guys think of Corbyn and TZUYU from Twice. It's pronounced TZUYU. I feel like I've been saying her name for years now, but I always feel like I have to question myself because I suck with names, but I feel like I've been saying it right. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.